This is a demonstration for a program that I just wrote that downloads all of your Facebook photos in one shot to your Linux desktop. What prompted me to write this was I believe that I'm on the brink of getting my Facebook account, permanently deleted by Facebook. I'm currently at the tail end of a 7-day ban, and there's a notice that stays at the bottom of the screen while you're on Facebook saying that the next offense will cause you a 30-day ban. I've had 2 other accounts deleted, but it's been years. I can't remember how many 30-day ban chances you get, but either way, even if this weren't the case, I definitely would like to have my photos backed up. When the other accounts were deleted, I lost a lot of important stuff that I'll never be able to get back. So here, what I'm doing is I'm reading the password and username and stuff out of a file, just storing that data in a variable. For the sake of demonstration purposes, I definitely wouldn't want my username and password on YouTube. Let's run this and let's watch it work. Alright, so the first thing that it's going to do is log in with your username and password, and it'll navigate to your home page and photos, and then it's going to scroll to the bottom. So however many photos you have, it'll automate this process of navigating to the very, very bottom of this page. This page right here, it shows all of the photos that you have. It's your photo stream is what I like to call it. That's the name of the app. So this is all of your album's photos consolidated into one place. So when it reaches the bottom, what it's going to do is grab all of the photo links, and then as it grabs the link, it'll download the photos into a directory. You specify that, a download path to for where to store the files. You have to feed that as an argument to the program before it's started, otherwise it won't run. So now we just watch this, go all the way to the bottom, and then from there we can, watch the photos populate in the directory, and we can even look at 1 or 2. We're not going to allow the program to fully download every photo. I might actually, maybe. This is the longest part here. This usually takes a few minutes. Alright, we're reaching the tail end. I believe that's all. Let's go over to the terminal. Alright, so what we'll do here... okay. I'll go back to 2. Yeah, it's documents. Python, PhotostreamPy, ls, photos. Alright, so that's going to take some time, I think. It's going to store all of the photos in a variable, and then from there, it'll start to download. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Cool, cool. Let's... Where are you? I think I'll just let it finish. And 427, 440, 451. Let's take a look at one of these real fast. FEH, photos. $862. We'll let this run. I think I'm just going to let it complete. This right here is 75. It's the number of times the program scrolls down when it opens up your PhotoStream feed. So this will scroll down 75 times before it starts to run the program. You can lengthen that if you need, if you have, you know, a crazy amount of photos. I have, I think, like I said, a little under 2,500. 75 works for me. If you had 10,000, you could extend that to, you know, maybe 200 or 210, you know, or if you have 10 photos, you can make that 5. You can play with that though. Let's see what we're looking at now. Okay. And the program's finished. All right. Oh. There we go. That is PhotoStream. That concludes the demo.